The AI world never stops changing. On paper, that sounds perfect, because it means we're getting new features constantly. But in real life, it creates a pretty big problem. Which tool do I choose? How do I avoid scams? How do I avoid wasting money on tools that don't actually deliver real value? It sounds simple, but all you have to do is look at the release lists from the last few weeks, and you'll see dozens and dozens of models fighting over the exact same features. And that's where you come in, the normal user, who just wants a reliable AI buddy that solves problems, saves time, gives high-quality answers, and doesn't charge you. So here's where I come in. I'm going to solve that problem with a brand new AI tool you can use completely for free. And I'll tell you right now, it just came out, and it's already better than a lot of the most well-known models. Look at this ranking. The model we're using today is up there with the strongest ones, only a few points behind the most expensive models, and we can use it for free. So by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to use it and get 100% of its potential. Because this is the kind of AI that's about to change the game. And if you don't want to miss new launches when the next model drops, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a positive comment, and hit like, so you're not the last person to hear about the latest updates. All right, let's get into it. First, we're going to open Arena. Don't worry, at the end of the video, I'll leave you all the direct links to the tools we use today, plus the exact prompts I'm using so you can literally copy and paste. Once we're inside Arena, you'll see it's a pretty simple interface. In battle mode, you can pick different task types, paste a prompt, and watch two unknown models complete the same task. Then you choose which answer you like more, and Arena reveals which model each one was. This is awesome if you want to test models and compare them. But since we want to use one specific model consistently, we're going to switch tabs to direct mode. Here, if you open the dropdown, you'll see a huge list of the strongest AI models available right now. You can use them completely free. Some models have temporary limits, but usually after a few hours, you can keep using them again. And the best part is, because the list is so big, if you're using your favorite model and it hits a limit, you can go to leaderboards, check the rankings, and pick another model that's just as strong so you can keep working without stopping. And if you're not sure which model is best for your specific task, Arena has a feature called Max. It analyzes the message you typed and automatically selects the best model to handle that task. So if you want to be sure your prompt gets the best possible response, Max is insanely useful. But today, we're here for a brand new model that's about to shake everything up. We're going to search for Dola 2.0. As you can see, there are two versions, a vision model and a text model. Let's start with the vision one. I'm going to show you real use cases I've found, things that are actually useful whether you're studying, working, or building a project. I made sure there's something here you can genuinely use. With the vision model, you can upload images, and the AI will analyze what's in the image and respond based on that. For example, everyday life. You can take a photo of your fridge, upload it, and ask what recipes you can cook with those ingredients. The results are recipes that only use the items it can actually see in the photo. For more serious stuff, you can upload a photo of a work report or a document and ask it to explain what it is and what you should do next. It can break it down step by step and give you a clear plan. And the best part? It keeps the context. So in that same chat, you can keep asking follow-up questions about the same image and it will continue analyzing it. If you're studying, you can take a photo of a whiteboard and ask it to summarize the key points so you can study for an exam. Another one I've personally used. A warning light shows up on my car dashboard, and I don't know exactly what it means, whether it's dangerous, whether I can keep driving, what the likely cause is. I can send a photo and ask it to identify the issue and suggest what to check first. If you deal with messages from people, client emails, refund requests, DMs, or even possible scam messages, you can upload a screenshot and ask it to analyze the patterns and tell you if it looks like a scam. And if it's not 100% sure, it can tell you what questions to ask or what steps to take so you don't get tricked. It's also been great for technical troubleshooting. I've tested it with Windows error screenshots, like, "Why isn't this working?" And it analyzes the screenshot and gives a surprisingly solid explanation and next steps.
And since it's one of the stronger models, you can go even further. You can ask it to propose actual solutions, rewrite things, improve them, and basically act like a daily assistant that helps you move faster. You can even get creative with it. You can upload photos of your product from different angles, plus a short description, and ask it to create a concept sketch for an improved version of the product, something you could present to teammates or use as the base for a new product idea. But if what you really want is custom video ads, I'm going to show you a workflow I'm using to get insanely high-end results. Because inside Higgsfield, I found a workflow where we can take a single product photo, whether it's something you sell or something someone else sells, and turn it into a high-quality video ad like the ones you're seeing on screen. Here's exactly how I do it. First, I go to the image section and choose the Nano Banana Pro model. Then I select the quality, pick a horizontal aspect ratio, and choose how many images I want generated. And this is the big advantage of using Nano Banana inside Higgsfield instead of Google. Here, we don't get watermarks, we get better image quality, and we can generate multiple images at once. Next, I upload the photo of the product and ask it to place the product into different eye-catching environments. And honestly, you can put it into anything you can imagine. Any setting, any style, any vibe. Once I pick the image I want to turn into a video, I open it and hit Animate. That takes me to a video panel where I choose the model. The strongest one I've tested here is Kling 3.0, but you also have others available, including models like Cdance, the same company behind some of the tools we've talked about, and a lot more video options right inside the platform. Then I add a prompt to animate the image we just created, choose the duration and the quality, and hit Generate. And look at the quality of these results. As you can see, this is the kind of output that looks like it came from professional productions that cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. And if this workflow still doesn't convince you, browse the other categories, because Higgsfield has a full collection of the best image and video tools available right now. I'll leave a link in the description and the pinned comment so you can test it yourself. Thanks again to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. But we're not done. If we go back to Arena, we also have the text version of Dola 2.0, which works like the AI assistant everyone already understands. You ask questions, you give it tasks, you feed it ideas, and it helps you build real outputs. For example, one of the main ways I use it, I take a video idea and ask it to turn that idea into a finished script that's ready to produce. I tell it to use the best audience retention techniques so the video performs better. And the quality of what it generates is genuinely impressive. But it's not just for content. I can upload a transcript from a meeting and ask it to pull out the key points and action items. I can also paste my recent expenses and ask it to create a realistic savings plan so I can afford something I need within a specific time frame. And you might think, yeah, that sounds like any AI. But the rankings prove this is different. In both text and vision, look at how it's outperforming a bunch of tools that charge for access, while we're using it for free. These are just a few examples I've been using over the last few days. I'm sure you can think of even more. So tell me in the comments, what are you going to use it for? And like I promised at the start of the video, if you want the direct links to every tool we use today, plus the exact prompts I used to get the most out of them, just go to the Discord link in the description, where we're already close to 40,000 members. Go to the bot PDF channel and message the bot. When it replies, send it the link to the video you want the PDF for. Follow the steps and that's it. You'll get your PDF completely free. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.